Welcome back to Inside the Box, where we talk about ways you can make money with skills and tools you already have. In this video, I have a tutorial and a tip for you on how to better connect with your YouTube audience by sending out surveys or polls through the YouTube's community tab. You can find this tab on your channel page, and to get there, you're going to go to the top right icon, select it and click on your channel. It'll take you to a page that's similar to this. Obviously it will be a little different because my channel is Inside the Box and your channel is something else, but you will see tabs here in the middle of the page, and you'll find this community tab. Now if you're not seeing this community tab, or if you click on it like I'm going to and it looks a little different, or it's not gaining you access to post anything yet, it's because you haven't hit a certain threshold or requirement from YouTube. I believe I didn't get access to this tab until I hit 1,000 subscribers, but I've talked with other people that have had a different experience. I was just talking with Kendra Joy. She has a small YouTube channel. I will link it in the description box below so you guys can go help support her and help her grow. She just passed her 200 subscriber threshold and she got access to this community tab. So I'm not quite sure when YouTube, what threshold YouTube wants people to reach, but if you haven't gained access to this yet, just be patient. You will get there if you're consistent with YouTube. So here's where you can post anything to your audience. It doesn't have to be a survey or a poll, but those are the things I like posting because they help me plan my next videos. You can see I recently did one asking my community what case study they want me to do next, and they picked YouTube. So I'm going to do a follow-up poll on that, and I'll show you that example here. There are different kinds of polls. There's an image poll. I'm not going to be doing this one today, but you could ask your audience something like, hey, which outfit should I wear in my next video, and send a picture of option 1 or option 2 and have them vote on it, or something like that. But in this video today, I'm going to do a text poll. So I've already typed out what I want to ask in this poll, so this video will go by faster, but I'm just going to copy and paste those things here really fast. You're allowed to add 5 multiple choice options onto this survey. You just keep clicking that add another option button until it doesn't give you any more options. You do not have to use all 5 of these. You can just send out 2 things for people to vote on. But I like to have one that says, let us know in the comments below, or something to do with comments, because I like to hear from my audience, and people are able to respond to these posts not only by voting but also by adding things into the comments. And once you have that all filled out, you can just click on post. So for an example, I'll just read you what I wrote here before I post it. I say, YouTube won the vote for the first side hustle case study series on my channel. What YouTube case study video do you want to see first? How to increase views and subscribers, how to land a paid sponsorship, how to increase monetization on YouTube, get paid more, how to make the best thumbnails, or other. Let us know in the comments. So that's just an example of a poll you might send out to your audience, and I'm going to click on post. And now they can go and vote on it. And when they vote, those results will show up here. You can see my last poll I sent out. I sent it out 4 weeks ago. I had 21 votes on it. Depending on how big your audience is, this is going to vary greatly. Some of my earlier polls only had about 9 votes or even less. So I'm seeing this grow though, as I'm adding more to my community tab, and I am getting a better idea of what my audience wants to see. So if this video is helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in this side hustle case study I'm going to be doing on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're aware of when those case study series videos come out. Thanks everyone, and I will catch you in my next video.